Hey guys, I have presented to you the first video of this series in the last episode. Today I will discuss the second video of this series. However, today's video is going to be very interesting. Today in this video, how you can create menu and banner or different option in the tool. After opening the tool, the user can use this option very well. You don't have to worry because I think you can learn a lot if you watch every video in this series carefully. If you want to be an ethical hacker, then this series is for you. I will take you for free, but please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and you will stay with me and learn ethical hacking for free. Keep subscribing to my channel. So let's start it.